The Rowe Middle School Unity Team is hosting an art showcase to coincide with the Trans Awareness Week. Trans Awareness Week is the week from Monday, November 14th to Friday, November 18th. The Rowe Unity Team is asking for art that relates to gender, transgender, and non-binary people or experiences. Abstract art is welcome. The art can be bold or it can be subtle. We please ask you that the artwork is appropriate and respectful and two-dimensional and school appropriate and two-dimensional. We will be displaying the art in the cafeteria throughout Transgender Awareness Week. If you'd like to submit something, please give it in to Ms. Perpich by Wednesday, November 9th, 2022. You can drop it off in her room 404, or you can email it to her. The flyers for this event are posted in the Rowe Hub and Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask Ms. Perpich or any member of the Rowe Middle School Unity Team. That's it for now, folks. Stay tuned.